Without a question, automation is something we are all going toward. To reduce the time spent manually washing clothes and kitchenware, we utilize washing machines and dishwashers. The time saved is then put to better use on a task that may require more skill and human interaction. Similar to this, forward-thinking companies want to automate all redundant tasks. 90% of the tasks involved in data entry are recurrent jobs. Every profitable company makes sure the majority of its monotonous duties are automated. In Tally, data entering is a crucial procedure. Every entry must be accurate because data entry in Tally is a continual operation. Data from a variety of sources must be entered into Tally. You obtain data from e-commerce websites, CRM programs, and other programs and websites, to mention a few. The majority of this information can be exported into an Excel or CSV sheet. Then, you can manually import these entries into Tally or use the Excel to Tally import utility, which is largely automatic and requires little to no human involvement. Since humans make mistakes when manually entering information into computers, whether intentionally or inadvertently, there is a good risk that the data you enter into Tally for storage contains errors. You won't have to worry about such problems if you use Excel to Tally because our software forbids any human interaction during the process of importing data from an Excel sheet to the Tally program. Decisions are aided by reports. By providing precise data for the reports, data input enables better decision-making. Error-free data is ensured via automatic data entry, which helps better decision-making. You can gather all of your accounting data in one location using automatic reporting technologies like Excel to Tally, which makes it simpler for you to analyze and draw conclusions. Your reports will always be accurate and consistent, so you won't have to worry about missing records or incorrect entries. You can use Excel to Tally to optimize your human resources according to skill sets. It's crucial to assign responsibilities based on people's talents and shortcomings when managing a company or organization. For instance, if a person excels at math but struggles with spelling, they should be given data entry assignments involving numbers rather than words. The repetitious task of converting entries from Excel to Tally, which scarcely takes any talent, is automated using Excel to Tally. The time that is saved here can be used to finish another skill-based task. Tallying with Excel has another benefit in that it lessens human error during manual data entering procedures. Because fewer mistakes and re-entries into the system are required, your business will save time and money as a result. The Excel to Tally import utility can be exactly what you need if you are seeking for a quick approach to handle a lot of data without sacrificing accuracy or quality control. Without a doubt, Excel to Tally saves time. In just a few clicks, all entries are imported. There is no need to double-check and rework the entries since they are all accurate. Depending on the person's skill set, the time can then be used for other crucial duties. Even if you have never used accounting software before, using the Excel to Tally program is fairly simple. To use the tool, you simply need to follow a few easy instructions. It takes a lot of time and money to manually create multiple entries from one Excel sheet in Tally. It is costly since labor will be required depending on the volume of entries that need to be done. One of a company's largest expenses is typically labor costs. With little to no human involvement, Excel to Tally quickly makes these bulk entries in Tally. When all process delays and wastes are eliminated, productivity may be guaranteed. By automating time-consuming procedures, you may free up time to work on more crucial business duties with Excel to Tally. Additionally, you may focus on high-value tasks that will help your business expand by putting less time into administrative tasks like entering data into databases or spreadsheets.
Uploading data from Excel to Tally is made simple with Excel to Tally. It eliminates the effort of identifying and fixing data problems. It performs all the labor-intensive job for you by automatically sorting the data. You will find it simple to accurately store your accounting data with Excel to Tally. You won't need a second one.